Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study the third part of fifth chapter, Mass Media and History. So here fifth 5.5, that is Mass Media and Professional Opportunities, that we are going to study today. Newspapers have fulfilled the task of providing fresh news to its readers. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. So newspapers, they have to provide the fresh news to the reader. Then only the newspaper will sold in the market, and that newspaper will get publicity in that market. So the newspaper, they have to unfold the background of any event. If they will give the background information, then of course it will attract to the more readers. At such times, newspapers have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happen in the past. So, to make our newspaper more popular, to increase the publicity of the newspaper, so always news reporters, they are trying to give the extra information to the readers. So what they are doing, suppose anything happened, any event took place, that time reporters, what they are trying to compare this event with the another event which took place in the past. So for this, they are taking the help of the history, means they are going in the past and they are searching like that events, and in this way they resort the history to make the news more attractive, otherwise to make the news more trustworthy. How trustworthy? Because this event they are comparing with the another event which took place in the past. So in this way reader could get the extra information, and in this way their newspaper will get more publicity. The past event may be printed in the separate frame. So past event which took place in the past, so that may be in the separate frame, but now they are trying to compare with the two events. So here one small chart has given history, what things are important in the newspaper's history: editorial, article, on this day in history. So see, these all are the concepts which is familiar to us. Editorial, as I told you, editorial means editor's views. His columns are coming in the newspaper, especially in the page number 3, Sampadakiya we can call it. So on that views of editor and another scholar people's views, and again downside common people, means readers, they can also share their views, opinion in that editorial page. Then article, there are different articles in our newspapers. We can see in that they are having very attractive headline to that article, new and fresh articles on this day in history, means something important, important day, today's speciality. In this way this column is given. Then reviews of the readers, news, columns. So these all are related to the history of newspapers. Thus the reader gets access to additional information and he can get better insights about the current news. So in this way the reader can get the additional information. They are getting more information, and in this way the reader can get the current news, current knowledge. Newspapers print columns about historical information. So in the newspaper there are some columns regarding historical information appearing under headlines such as 15 years ago or 100 years ago, etc. Such columns are based on historical documents or written history. So many times we have seen the headlines like 15 years ago, 100 years ago. So like that, attractive headlines attracts the reader's attention in the past, and it correlate past with the present. And in this way, such columns based on historical documents or written history. Written history means whatever proofs we are proofs we are having in the written form. These columns provide historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also events of historical significance. So these all the columns, they are giving us information related to economic, social and political event which took place in the past of the historical significance. Okay, see here what is given. Do this. Newspapers also publish crossword puzzle based on history. Try to create a similar crossword puzzle. For example, use for fort names to create a puzzle. So here they said that in our newspaper generally puzzles are coming. Sometimes that puzzles are related to history also. So here one activity children can do. You have to collect some names of the forts and you have to create the cross puzzle. Okay, see. Newspaper occasionally publish supplements to the regular edition or special issues. For example, World War First command in 1914. Year 2014 marked the 100th year of this event. In order to be able to publish a newspaper supplement or a special issue to commemorate the occasion, one needs to review this history. So here it is said that one example has given how that present they are comparing with the past. Suppose in 1914, that year First World War has started. So in the year 2014, so in the newspaper, many various newspapers like that headlines coming, 100th of this event, 100th year of this event means complete 100 years are over to the First World War, and people can get more information about the First World War, what were the causes, what were the effect of that World War. After that World War, what precautions were taken, which institution was established to avoid such wars. So in this way, new readers can get more information related to the First World War. So like that, on the special occasion, special supplements are provided time to time. In order to be able to publish a newspaper supplement for a special issue to commemorate the occasion, one needs to review its history. So many times, see here, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So on that day, one special supplement is provided. Independence Day. So like that, there are number of events or number of occasions when special supplements are provided by the newspapers. In 2017, 75 years were completed after the announcement of Quit India movement. On such occasions, newspapers highlight the event through various articles, editorials, columns like what happened in the history on this day, reviews, etc. The knowledge of history is essential for writing such type. So see here, in the year 2017, that time we have completed 75 years to Quit India movement, which is started by our Mahatma Gandhi ji. So like that events, when they are coming, so that time in the newspaper separate supplement is provided, and in that supplement deep information related to that event is published. So people, reader, they can get the new information, but they can get the new information through articles, columns otherwise reviews, etc. in this way. But to write these articles, to write these columns, to write these reviews, a person should know exact or correct information about that. So there historians are required, students, those are studying history, or those people they have interest in the studies like that, people require which can give us correct knowledge, those are having the deep information, deep study about that event. So here historians, the knowledge of history is essential for writing such type. Try to do this, try to collect information about the role of underground radio centers in the Quit India movement of 1942 with the help of your teachers. So see, underground radio station, we know that underground radio station was started to, and that radio station was secretly running by our Indian freedom fighters. Britishers, they did not have any idea about that secret radio station, and through that radio station our freedom fighters, they were providing information to the other freedom fighters. So it was too much risky, then also our freedom fighter, they were taking the risk and they were doing this job. So here they says that you have to collect some information about the underground radio center of 1942. Okay, now here we will go to the further paragraph. History is also essential in planning radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recording of all the speeches delivered each year by the Prime Minister of India on 15th August. So see student, 1947 when our India got independence, that time Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he has given this, he has delivered the speech. So like that all prime minister's speeches that are preserved by the Akashvani. So here also knowledge of history is required. So many people those are having the interest in the history, they can get here professional opportunities in the newspaper, also editorial articles. So there also historian is required. So see, Akashvani invites historians as experts for discussion on various occasions such as the anniversary of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of heroic historical event, etc. So here it says on Akashvani there are some programs of discussion. So there they are calling the people, historians, to give their audience more information or various occasion like the birth anniversary or the death anniversary of national heroes, national leaders, etc. Lectures on the contribution of various national leaders needs to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. In Akashvani, On This Day in History, so like that name of program, and in that program they are giving us historical information related to particular event which took place in the past. So in this way these all things are very integral part, important part of the daily programs of Akashvani, and they are also require historians, those are having knowledge related to history. Television channels also telecast programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels help in creating interest in history among people through their historical shows and serials. So see children, what is said here, television channels also, there are nowadays there are number of programs based on historical event is telecast, and that channels, that programs are trying to attract to the audience towards the history. So like that historical shows and serials. So here some examples are given that we will see. The mythological and historical serials like Ramayana and Mahabharat, these are mythological serials. Bharat Ek Khoj and Raja Shiv Chhatrapati attract a very large audience So see, number of people they are watching these serials. In our lockdown also, repeat telecast of Ramayana and Mahabharata has started. So number of people they are watching these serials, and in this way, not only mythological stories but historical serials also, historical programs also. Many people watch because they are getting the information about that event, the kings, their lifestyle, their language, so many things. We are political life, social life. So like that information the people are getting, and in this way people are turning towards the history. So Bharat Ek Khoj and Raja Shiv Chhatrapati attract a very large audience while producing these type of programs, maintaining accuracy with the regard to the presentation of environment, outfit, weaponry, lifestyle, lingual expression, etc. is essential. So when such type of programs are telecasted, while producing, directing, that time they are taking care a lot about some particular things like maintaining accuracy with regard to the presentation of the environment. Suppose they are showing the Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Raja, like that telecast they are showing. So that time they have to think what type of environment was there that time, how, which type of language that people were using, which type of costume they were wearing, their language, again these outfit, weaponry, which, and what was their lifestyle, these all things, it is very important part of that serial. And who can give this all the information? A person who is having the deep knowledge about history, that person only. There are number of another historical serials: Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jodha Akbar, Chandragupta Maurya. So these all this by watching these all the programs, number of students they are getting the information. Suppose it many times students what they are thinking, it's too boring to read the textbook of history and to get the knowledge, but while watching the program they are getting the knowledge in very easy way. The event which took place in the past, how the Shivaji Maharaj fought a particular battle, the Tanaji Malusare, so his heroic deed, how he captured the fort. So we can see that serials and the movies, and in this way we can get the knowledge of history. So while producing or while directing, that time they are taking care about all the thing. Language should be proper, particular words, what type of toning, so dialect, so everything should be in the proper manner. So here in all the field, and even makeup also, what type of makeup that time people they were doing, so we have to do the same thing. Music also, instrument, everything, minute observation, and these all the things are very important for this type of programs when it is telecasted. And number of people, those people are having historical knowledge that people can get here job opportunities. One need to have a deep understanding of history of concerned period. Currently channels like Discovery, National Geography, History, etc. have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. It has enabled people to view the historical and geographical wonders at home. So here it is said that there are number of channels, especially Discovery, History Channel, National Geography. They are giving us more information. So these all the channels they are open like a rich treasury it of the global history. It is giving adventure to the audience by sitting at home, related to history, related to geography. To make such programs more entertaining, some parts of serials are actually enacted by actors, such as the characters of heroic men and women, sportsmen, army chief, etc. So here it is said that to give the more entertainment, or to make audience more attached with these channels are um, creating such some programs they are creating, and in that some characters are played by the actors, like historic men and women, kings, sportsmen, etc. Beside these, serials about ancient monuments, fort, histories of empire, and also the history of culinary art are watched by a large number of people with great interest. So here it is said that beside these, some documentaries also created on the historical or ancient monuments, forts, histories of empire. These all the programs are watched with a great interest. People with deep knowledge of history in the respective field are sought out in all the fields mentioned above. So, if you are having the knowledge about history, then there are various fields available where you can get the professional opportunities. Now, you would find this interesting. Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial telecasted by Doordarshan, has a special place in the history of Indian television serials. It was based on the Discovery of India, a book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was directed by Shyam Benegal. This serial presented the history of India from the ancient to modern period, throwing light on the social, cultural, and political history of respective periods. So Bharat Ek Khoj, very popular serial. It was telecasted by Doordarshan channel, and that serial, it is based on one book. That book was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the name of the book is also Discovery of India. So that serial was directed by Shyam Benegal, and in that serial, history of India from ancient period to modern period was shown, and that in that serial they were trying to throw the light on the social, cultural, political history of our respective periods. It effectively portrayed many aspects of Indian history like Harappan civilization, Vedic history, inscriptions of Ramayana and Mahabharata, Maurya period, Afghan invasion, Mughal period, and contribution of Mughal emperors, Bhakti movement, role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, movements of social reforms, and Indian struggle for independence, etc. So in this serial, effectively portrayed many aspects of our Indian history, from Harappan civilization to India's struggle, freedom struggle. That all the things they had shown in that serial. We have watched here Vedic literature, Vedic history, Harappan civilization, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Mughal contribution, etc. Shivaji Maharaj history. That all the things it was portrayed. Roshan Seth, an actor who played Pandit Nehru's role in this serial, also appeared as a narrator, introducing and explaining various parts of the story by dramatizing them using folklore and informative speeches. So, Roshan Seth, he has played the role of Pandit Nehru. He was playing as a narrator in this serial, and he was introducing and explaining in the dramatizing way and informative speeches. The serial was admired in all the parts of India because of comprehensive historical perspective of Pandit Nehru and its equally comprehensive visual presentation. So that serial, it was very popular and it was admired by all parts of India. It was popular in all parts of India because of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's historical perspective as well as visual presentation. Thank you very much. In this way, we have completed here our fifth lesson. I hope you understood it. Thanks.